Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bose soundbar to Samsung TV. Quick fix step by step clearly. Ensure your Bose soundbar and Samsung TV are powered on and within reach. Locate the HDMI ARC port on your Samsung TV. This port is usually labeled HDMI ARC or HDMI 1. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI ARC port on the TV. Now, take the other end of the HDMI cable and connect it to the HDMI out port on your Bose soundbar. If your soundbar doesn't have an HDMI option, use an optical cable instead. Plug the optical cable into the digital optical audio output on the TV. Then, connect the other end to the optical input on your Bose soundbar. Next, check your TV settings. Using your remote, go to the Settings menu. Scroll down to Sound or Audio settings. Change the sound output to external speakers or HDMI device. If you used an optical cable, select Optical as the sound output. You may also need to enable any Net Plus or HDMI CC settings for HDMI connections. This option can typically be found in the General Settings menu. Now, adjust the volume on your soundbar. Try playing some content to test the audio. If you hear sound, you're all set. If there's no sound, double-check your cable connections. Also, ensure the correct output source is selected on your TV. If issues persist, try resetting both the soundbar and the TV. Unplug them from power for about 10 seconds, then reconnect them. After restarting both devices, repeat the setup process if necessary. Enjoy enhanced sound from your Bose soundbar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.